Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how you can start to earn some passive income almost 3 times as fast and as easy. So this is going to be a passive method at that, and I'm going to show you all of that in today's video, guys. So make sure you watch this from the beginning to the end, because this is exactly how I make money passively with cryptocurrency, and all I do is just set it up and forget it, guys. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So as you can see right here, guys, I have 2 tabs open, and this is not the method. I already talked about these websites before, but I want to show you how I actually do this every single day, guys. Whenever I'm not using this computer, or if I'm going to be using my other computer, then I'll just let this run 24 hours a day, making me some passive income. So the first website is going to be loot.tv, and I already talked about this in the past, guys. I use this mainly for my CoinSupply account. So CoinSupply is another cryptocurrency account or website that you can use right now. So let's go check out CoinSupply really quick, and I'm showing you all of this right here, guys. So let's do CoinSupply. So this is what I use with Loot TV. So let me log into my account really quick so I can show you how this works in the back end. As you can see, we're logging into my account right here. I recently withdrew from this, and so I'm restarting all over again. I'm already up to $1 already and free cryptocurrency all over again, guys. And this is the way I use this passively for both websites. So first off, I start off with Loot TV to get these points. It's just like Hideout TV, guys, and I'm going to be showing you what I use for Hideout in a bit. But as you can see right here, guys, so I'm just showing you 2 different methods right here that are going to be working passively. So the first one, again, is going to be loot.tv. The second one is going to be Hideout TV, and the third one is going to be the Brave browser. You can see right here, guys, look, there is 4 Brave browser things open up right now. So if we click on this, you can see that CoinSupply is tracking or trying to give me 4 ads shown to me, but the shield is up from Brave, and I'm going to start to earn some money just by letting this stay open and letting Brave show me ads instead of CoinSupply. And you can see right here, if I click on this one, because now it's not showing, you'll be able to see me having money inside of my account already. I've only had this up for, let's say, about 4 days, 5 days, I'm going to say. So let me see if I can show you my balance. Look, 40 cents in BAT tokens, and today's earnings will be coming possibly even tomorrow or in the next couple of days, but I just set it and forget it, guys. I'd rather get paid from a web browser by searching and doing the stuff I normally do. Instead of using Chrome, I'm starting to use a CryptoTab browser, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and I'm starting to use Brave browser as well, guys. So this is how I'm starting to use these websites and all of my time on the internet to its advantage, and it can earn me some passive income doing the stuff I normally do on a daily basis on Chrome, Safari, or any other browser you can think of that does not pay you. So all I have to do is just run this whenever I'm about to go to sleep, when I'm about to go with my family, when I'm going out, and just let this run passively and earn me some points. So let's go over here to CoinSupply really quick and show you that this is actually working. So let's just open up this tab fully. So I can show you this. So you can see I have 13,000 tokens right there, or coins, or whatever you want to do. And I'm not really going to talk about CoinSupply, guys, not in this video. I've talked about it in the past. So let's just go ahead and redeem this. I accidentally messed up, guys. I actually use this for random Satoshi. That is my bad, but you can see the amounts I have received from random Satoshi. CoinSupply is actually with Hideout TV, guys. I actually use Hideout for CoinSupply. That is my bad. So let's go ahead and transfer the points to the only account that I have running on Hideout at the moment. I don't run Hideout with a random Satoshi or any other currency anymore. So let's go over here, our website. So let's go to CoinSupply. Let's go to redeem. So I'm going to get 4,386 points, and that has just been sent over. So let's go to CoinSupply. Let's refresh. 13,006 tokens or coins, and boom. So there it is right there, 17,392 tokens right there, guys. Look how simple and easy that was. Now I'm just going to run Hideout all over again, and on loot.tv, I actually run this on crypto or random Satoshi, and you can see that right there, guys, how much points I earned from random Satoshi. For 700 loot points, I get 58 1,000 bits for 680, 51,000 bits, and you can see all of that right here, guys. That is a lot of money, a lot of crypto, a lot of bits for random Satoshi. So I'm showing you 4 different methods to earn passive income, because this one earns from interest once you reach 30,000 tokens, guys. So that is really interesting there. So I'm going to open up CryptoTab browser, which is another browser that I earn passive income with. You can see my balance is up to $10.60. You can see my mining network has earned me around $150 already, guys, and this is a 100% passive way to earn money. A cool thing to do is run this on Max and then just open up some other web browser. So I'm running this on random Satoshi using hideout point or loot.tv points. So let's show you that right now. So let me log into my random Satoshi account. You can see I have 59,000 bits already, and I have 321 in queue, so ready to start to work for me. So let's just go ahead and redeem this, guys, so I can show you that this is actually working. So let's just round this up to 60,000 tokens or points or bits. So look, I'm going to get another 8,000, so the price is lowered just a tad bit, but I should be passing at 60,000 mark right now in a couple of seconds. And there it is right there, guys, 67,000 bits right there. And I'm starting to claim as much tokens as I possibly can on every single last one of these, guys, just because we don't know which coin is going to go up in value, like Doge did, worth nothing and now starting to be worth something because of the interest in that token. So this is a really cool strategy you can use right now. And there's also other ways you can actually upgrade this and actually boost this to earn you even more, is by getting all of the money from CoinApply, from random Satoshi, from BAT tokens, and putting it all in referrals on CryptoTab browser. You can see I have 4,237 referrals working for me and working for each other. Underneath this video, guys, there's going to be a link to CryptoTab browser and a video showing you how I actually get referrals without making YouTube videos, guys. So make sure you go over there and watch that video, because CryptoTab browser is the best browser I've been using for quite some time, guys, and I'm starting to see good results by showing you a strategy and proof that this is actually a very good way to earn passive income once you know how to build this referral system. So the links to all of these websites are going to be down below, so you guys can get started right away earning some passive income, earning some income in crypto. So get started right now, guys, and I'll see you next time. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So you're
falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team would do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team, without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.